Friends, this is Swati and welcome to my channel's very first video. So I am going to show you how to draw a kalamkari drawing and how to paint it. So here is my page, and what I am going to do is I am going to divide it horizontally and vertically and draw a horizontal and vertical line. Basically, I just want to find the center of my page so that I can start drawing my figure. The lines I am drawing very lightly because I just want to rub it after I finish my work. Okay, so I got my center of the page. Now I can start with the figure. Basically, I am drawing a Lord Ganesh figure, a elephant headed god. So I am just marking very lightly the face of the figure and then the body of the figure. This is just a rough overview of the figure. This is gonna help me to draw the actual figure. So the elephant headed god has a big stomach and a trunk, 2 big ears, 2 legs and 4 hands. So I am just going to draw lines where I want my legs, where I want my hands, 4 hands, and just circle it wherever I want his head or any jewelry I want. I'll just mark it.
Don't know what's wrong, something isn't right. Feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight.
So these are the 4 hands, and now I am going to go for the crowns part. I am going to just draw a rough figure for the crown and a circle behind his head and a circle below his legs, because I just want to show that he is sitting on a lotus. Okay, so I am done with the rough sketch. Now I have to do a perfect figure now. I'm just going to press my pencil a little hard and going to finish his face and his trunk. I'm just going to give a little bit details on his crown section also. I have created a very fancy ears because kalamkari has that flowery effect of drawing. Kalamkari has one more special about it, that when you draw a kalamkari figure, you should add a lots of jewelries to that figure. Basically, the figure has lots of jewelries on his hands, legs, on his ears. So here I am going to draw all my basics, but the final figure I will be going to draw with the pen directly. Basically, kalamkari painting is always used to do on a cotton cloth. What they used to do is they used to draw a kalamkari drawing on that cloth and used to put wax wherever they don't want to put a color, and then they used to dip the cotton cloth in a colored water. Therefore, in any kalamkari painting which was done on a cloth, they only used to have 2 or 3 colors, or mostly they used to have 2 colors only. So here I am going to draw eyes for the Ganesha. So what I am going to do is I am just going to put 2 dots on where I want to make my eyes, and then I am going to give a little bit detailing for the eyes. Then I am going to draw a little bit eyebrows. So I am completed with the trunk, with the ears, 4 hands and 2 legs. So I am going to take my pen now and drop my pencil. I'm going to take the pen and I'm going to start the drawing and give the details. So I am going to give all the details to the crown part also. So basically the kalamkari has a full designer type of jewelries. See, I have put a jewelry for the ears and also for the trunk and for the teeth also. So Lord Ganesha has only one teeth and the other teeth has been broken. It has a story. I'll explain you in some of my videos further.
I'm fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart. Not on my own, but I feel it sometimes.
One more special thing about the kalamkari is the figure has the eyes like fish. They have eyes shaped like fish and they have lots and lots of jewelry everywhere, in hand, like in finger, everywhere, and the position is always like the figure is dancing.
I'm tasting no tears, not fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart. I'm wasting
Small designs on his clothes.
losing my mind here till the day I depart.
I'm going to start with the lotus on which he is sitting. I'm going to make it simple.
Something isn't right. I feel I belong in the light.
Let us start with the head part. I'm just going to give a simple design. I'm just going to make some petals and give them some designs on it.
Fly. Things just feel heavy tonight. Things just feel heavy tonight.
You can make as much as layer of petals or as much as layer of designs you want. The designing should be detailed. That is what it makes a kalamkari so attractive. I'm going to rough the pencil part so that I can paint my drawing now.
Something isn't right.
The kalamkari painting has a very subtle color. It is not that bright. They have only basic 4 colors. You can use any one of them. It is rusted red or Indian red, mustard yellow, navy blue and dark green. Whichever color you like you can give. This is my old painting. I have put a white color over there mixed with a little bit red color so that it can look like a cotton cloth.
Not on my own.
So here are some more of my kalamkari paintings. I have drawn many of them. I will show all of them in some of my video. The kalamkari also has some animals also. This is the elephant and a cow together. So I have drawn many of the animals and many of the figure. I'll definitely show you all in my next video. This is the mustard yellow color. This is the rusted red color or the Indian red.
Wasting no time, I'm losing my mind.
This is the dark green color. And the fourth one is the navy blue color. So if you want to make a cotton cloth effect, then you have to mix a white color with a little bit of rusted red color and give it all over your page and redraw the painting, like redraw your Ganesh figure. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to give the yellow color on the background. I have taken yellow color just because it has a good pigmentations and we don't have to repaint it. I'm just going to cover my book with the plastic sheet so that all the other pages will be safe. And now I am going to just put the yellow color on the background of the Ganesha.
Passion is gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. I'm tasting no tears.
Mustard yellow color has a little bit of pigmentation, that's why it doesn't look patchy. If you give another color, it will definitely look a little bit patchy, and you have to repaint it at least twice. So for rusted red color also you have to color it twice, but for this color I have to do it twice, but it will be very much easier for me.
To decide, it's true that I don't have a clue. I'm tasting no tears, not fighting no fears. Still there's a hole in my heart. I'm wasting no time, I'm losing my mind. Here till the day I depart. Don't know.
So now I'm going to repaint it so this patchy looking thing will go, and this painting is ready.
Passion is gone and love's taken flight.
Please comment down below whatever you feel about my artwork, and if you like it, please subscribe it. Bye.
Things just feel heavy tonight. Don't know what's wrong, but something is